Another day and we're into another suburb. Let's see what we can find. There is stuff out and about, as in there. So yeah, guitars and unusual stuff. It's a good looking set of dining chair.
I guess we'll be a rock star. 37's too young for me to not be a rock star.
Cord's gone.
To save hockey pucks, throwing all of you, I think I can dunk. Gotta find a way to make ends meet. I've got a family who like to eat. Too late to start my own business. Too late to start my own business. Gotta find a way to make ends meet.
That's it.
This family, you know, they like to rock star.
So today I want to take my time and not rush things like I did yesterday and miss stuff. So we're just going to cruise about slowly and see what we can find. Lots of kids' toys. We drove past this one. Oh, it's a left-hander too. And it's a Cimar. Oh, damn. Love it. What? Printer? And empty boxes. Speaker. Nope. Hell of a lot of cardboard boxes. Hell of a lot. All empty. Everywhere. Not having much luck. Apart from that guitar. So I've come back here, and this is where the stool and the crate was that I missed out on before. Yeah. Check it out, see what happens. Got the milk crate. The little stool just there, it's there, is made of plastic. If it was wooden, I would have done something with it. All cardboard boxes, empty ones. Big jar there, but sitting up on top of the table there. Chair. No. Keep looking. It's actually some Tupperware over there. I wouldn't mind some small containers. So there we go, just to put screws and shit in. Have a look. Thought that was brass. Hang on, we got under here. I reckon that's copper. I don't think so. No. This is salt rock. An apple box. MacBook Air box. If I had the room, I would. Lid. They got lids, I might have those. That's all lids. Yep. So the Tupperware bits were, when I start pulling these guitars apart, I won't lose anything. Well, on the way home, a successful pick. I found a guitar, and I'll show you that soon. So this is my haul for today. I got a milk crate. Oh, I needed one. So yeah, got one. Some Tupperware containers, which is going to come in very handy for me because I've got nothing to put anything in. And the Cimar guitar. Now I know a little bit about Cimars because I have a 12-string Cimar. These are Japanese made, and they're made by Ibanez with the Cimar branding. I don't know whether it was their lower grade, I don't think so. Just another total different brand. This needs a new back. As you can see, it is knackered, but it is fixable, sort of, I think. I don't know. I'm not well versed enough to know, but again, there's bits on this if I can't fix it. There's bits on this that I can use, and I will. Now originally I said this was a left-hander. It's not, it is a right-hander. I can tell by the nut and the bridge. Someone who was left-handed just sort of must have changed it over, put that scratch panel on there, scratch plate, because if you have a look, it's not the proper one for it, and they snapped a bit off and put it down there, which was the bit that went there. But if you have a look, if that focuses, that's got some nice sort of abalone inlay. The inlays on the fretboard aren't much chop, but it does have these other little inlays there, and it's got an inlay on the bridge. So that would have been a nice guitar in its day. Don't know whether I can fix it or not, but it'll go into stock. That wasn't a bad day. Another guitar. Like I said, I know a little bit about Cimars. They used to be a really good brand, and that one is one of the high-end acoustics of theirs. Like I said, I've got a 12-string of theirs, and it's bloody beautiful, but it's a bit knackered as well. But anyway, yeah, that'll be the last of the picking for a while, because I just don't have any room to store anything. You can see here I've got stuff in the back seat. My boot is already full with everything that I sort of own anyway. Plus I've still got stuff sitting at the house, so yeah. Picking will be, yeah, won't be doing that for a little while again, till I get my own place. Alright folks, that's about it. Had a good time today, I hope you enjoyed it. Hooroo!